Okay, right now let me show you how to create a YouTube account. How to create a YouTube account. So looking at it right now, we have our YouTube app up here. Look at it right here. We have our YouTube app up there. So we'll be clicking on it immediately to open up the YouTube app. Once it's open, I have a lot of what is it called? Accounts on YouTube. I have a lot of channels on YouTube. But right now we'll be clicking on this image up here. We'll be clicking on this profile up here. Just we'll click and hold it. So click it and hold it. It will just suggest all the accounts, all the what is it called? The YouTube accounts you have. You just suggest all of them. Then looking at it down here, you see that yes, this is the Gmail we just created lastly. YouTube masterclass. You click on it. So we'll be clicking on it. So look at it. We'll click on it. So it will now switch to that channel. It will switch to that email we created, that Gmail we created. Then we'll now click on that. Look at it here, Y, which means YouTube. So we click on that place. So right now let's click on it. So once it opens, you click on, let's click on it again. Excuse. Okay, so once it opens, you click on this place, the top part which says your channel. Click on your channel. So right now we don't have a channel already, but we want to create one. So here it says, look at it right here, it says create account, create channel, sorry, create channel. So we are going to be clicking on it to create our channel. So create channel. Understand, channel have been created. So right now we'll now start working on our channel. But right now this is how to create your YouTube channel. So stop here for now. When we get to the next, we'll see how we're gonna do it. So this is how to create your YouTube channel. Right now this YouTube channel have been created. Look at it, you can see everything. You see, you joined on this very day. So this is how to create your YouTube channel. Look at your YouTube link, look at channels. If you subscribe to any channel, it will appear here. Look at playlist, video. This is your home page. Understand? So right now they are asking you to create a video, but we're not doing that right now. So we have created the YouTube channel already, and this YouTube channel is live. So we have created it already. So that is how to create a YouTube channel. It's very simple.